Good morning, students. Now look at the picture on the screen. Every hero may not be a doctor. Every hero may not be a doctor, but every doctor is definitely a hero. But every doctor is definitely a hero. Now, students, during this lockdown period, we know that in this critical situation, doctors are playing very important role in order to save the life of all the persons. They put their life into the trouble and giving treatment. I'm not saying treatment, but best treatment to the patient. As we know that in COVID-19, we know that what is the situation. In this difficult situation, doctors are really our great hero. They are putting their life into difficulties, they remain far from the family, and with the dedication, they are giving their best service in order to save the nation. So, to become a hero is not an easy thing or not an easy work. To become a hero, we must have to develop some quality in our life. Which are that quality? Look at here, students. What makes a hero? What exactly makes a person hero? It is bravery, being fearless when others run away. आप सबको पता है कि हीरो बनना किसको पसंद नहीं है, सबको पसंद है, बट उसके लिए कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हमारे में होने चाहिए. वो कौन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है? तो जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ लिखा है, इट इज ब्रेवरी, बीइंग फियरलेस व्हेन अदर्स रन अवे. जब सभी में डर पैदा होता है तब हमारे में ब्रेवनेस होनी चाहिए उसको फेस करने के लिए. अगर कोई सिचुएशन, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारी लाइफ में आते हैं तो उनको ब्रेवफुली हमें उसका सामना करना पड़ता है विदाउट फियर. जब सभी चले जाते बट हम with boldness, with braveness, if we do the work, that is called hero. Which is the another thing? Look at here. Is it putting the needs of others before your own? दूसरों के लिए, दूसरों की नीड के लिए हमें अपनी जो नीड है वो बाजू पे रख देनी चाहिए और पहले हमें दूसरों में ध्यान देना चाहिए, दूसरों की नीड पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल्फलेस नेचर. वो बहुत कम लोगों में ऐसा होता है बिकॉज मेनी पर्सन्स आर सेल्फिश नाउअडेज and selfless person is one of the quality of hero. Now which is the another thing? Is it being prepared to risk your own safety for others? जब भी मैंने अभी बात की कि जो डॉक्टर्स है हमारे, हम सबको पता है कि अभी लॉकडाउन में क्या सिचुएशन है. हम तो घर पे बैठे हैं और हमारी सेफ्टी का ध्यान रख रहे हैं, बट डॉक्टर्स अपने घर से दूर रह के, अपने फैमिली मेंबर से दूर रह के सभी को, जो पर्सन है जिसको ये कोरोना हुआ है, उन सबको बचाने में वो रात दिन देखते नहीं, बहुत तत्पर रहते हैं, डेडिकेशन से अपना काम करते हैं. तो वो लोग अपनी सेफ्टी नहीं देखते हैं, दूसरों के लिए अपनी जात को भी रिस्क में डाल देते हैं. बिकॉज देयर एम, देयर determination is that only that they must have to save all the people for the beneficial of the or for the betterment of the nation. उन लोगों ने एक प्रतिज्ञा ली है कि हमें कोरोना के सामने लड़ना ही है और सबको बचाना है. तो ऐसी क्वालिटी जिन लोगों में होती है उनको हम हीरो कह सकते हैं. तो रियली वी हैव टू सैल्यूट द वर्क ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स बिकॉज they are doing really very nice work, so that in the real life they are the real hero nowadays in our life. Now look at here, students, that here you can see here one chart is there. What is the dimension? Look at here. A hero can be, which are the some qualities of the hero? He or she, or you can see here the person हम ऐसे ही नहीं बोल देते कि ये हीरो है। हीरो बनने के लिए हमारे में कुछ क्वालिटी डेवलप होनी चाहिए। वो कौन कौन सी क्वालिटी है? लुक एट हियर, करेजियस। अ हीरो मस्ट बी करेजियस। उसमें क्या होनी चाहिए? करेज यानी हिम्मत होनी चाहिए। देन डिटरमाइंड, कोई भी कार्य करने के लिए उसको एक पक्का निश्चय उसके माइंड में बनाना पड़ता है। देन सेल्फलेस, अ हीरो मस्ट बी अ सेल्फलेस। उसको अपने बारे में सोचना नहीं चाहिए, बट दूसरों की भलाई के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। एंड देन विच इज द अनदर थिंग? केपेबल, ही मस्ट बी केपेबल। उसमें वो कैलिबर होना चाहिए, जो एक हीरो में होना चाहिए वो कैपेबिलिटी, उसमें योग्यता होनी चाहिए। एंड graceful, that is concerning to the nature. Okay, so these all 5 qualities, or out of these 5 quality, if one quality is there, that person is called hero in our real life. Now अब सबको ऐसा होगा कि मैम आप हीरो के बारे में क्यों इतना बात कर रहे हैं? But you know students that our next lessons title name is Hero. What is the title of our lesson number 3? A hero. Now in this video, look at here student, what we have to learn. Our lesson number 3, literature part, and the title of this lesson is A Hero. Now what we have to learn in this chapter? First we look at that. First of all, we have to look at the warm-up activity that is given in your textbook. Then second, introduction about author. Then word meanings. Then explanation of lesson. Now in this video students, I will explain your lesson 3. As I told that the title of this lesson is A Hero. Here in this video, I will explain only first page and second page of lesson 3, and then concerning to that part, textual question answer. Here in this video I will explain question 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, now let us observe the further part of this video. Now as I told that warm up activities. Okay, now look at here students. Look at these photographs. What is unusual about these people? Now when you open the textbook lesson 3, here you will observe 3 pictures are there. Now look at here, in this first picture this lady is hugging with a leopard. Then here in this second picture, this small girl playing with python. And in this third picture, this man is walking on the rope. You can see here student properly, the man without support, and that rope is very high, and without support this man is walking on the rope walker. Okay, now all these pictures, when we look at this, we are very surprised that this lady is playing with this wild animal. Here this small little girl is also playing with the this insect, very dangerous insect, and this man also walking on this rope. So all these persons are very brave and very courageous. Without that, without courage, they can't do this type of dangerous work. Even we look at the picture students, even we feel some fear in our mind. So you imagine that how they have a courage in their heart, and then they are doing this type of work. Now look at here students. Now can these people be called heroes? What are the qualities of a hero? That by observing these pictures, can we tell them that these are the real heroes? Because as previously I have discussed, हीरो बनने के लिए हमारे में कुछ क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, जैसे कि मैंने अभी 5 क्वालिटीज के बारे में डिस्कस किया। तो ये 5 क्वालिटी में से हमें ये तीनों पिक्चर में कौन सी क्वालिटी दिखाई देती है? करेज, ब्रेवनेस. ओके, सो अवर प्रेजेंट स्टोरी, अवर lesson number 3 story is concerning with this theme. That's why I have discussed about heroes, because the title of the story is a hero. Now first of all, look at that, students. Introduction about author. Now this story, a hero, is written by R.K. Narayan. I think many students familiar with this name. R.K. Narayan was a very famous English writer. Now R.K. Narayan was born in 1906 and died in 2001. He was an Indian writer best known for his works set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स, ये R.K. नारायण बहुत ही फेमस लेखक है, नॉट है, बट उनकी वर्क से वो हमारे दिलों में वो जिंदा है. बट R.K. नारायण का आई थिंक बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने नाम सुना होगा. टीवी पर एक सीरियल भी आता था, मालगुडी डेज. उसमें एक मालगुडी नाम का टाउन की बात की थी उन्होंने, जो टाउन कहाँ पे है? साउथ इंडिया में वो टाउन है. उनकी बहुत ही अच्छी सीरियल टेलीविज़न पे दिखाई थी और उनके राइटर थे R.K. नारायण. ही इज़ वन ऑफ द 3 लीडिंग फिगर्स ऑफ अर्ली इंडियन लिटरेचर इन इंग्लिश alongside Mulk-Raj Anand and Raja Rao. His famous books include Swami and Friends. उनकी बहुत ही फेमस जो बुक हुई थी उनका टाइटल नेम क्या है? स्वामी एंड फ्रेंड्स. द बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, सेकेंड बुक का नाम है द बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स एंड द इंग्लिश टीचर. These all are his famous work. He also received the Sahitya Akademi Award for the book The Guide. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता होगा हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज में एक पुराना पिक्चर है द गाइड, जिसमें पुराने हीरो हीरोइन है, जिसमें देवानंद और वैदा रहमान उसमें एक्टर थे और एक्ट्रेस थी. तो वो जो द गाइड, ये R.K. नारायण ने उसके ऊपर एक उनकी ओरिजिनल एक नॉवेल थी और नॉवेल का टाइटल था द गाइड. तो वो टाइटल को लेके, वो नॉवेल की थीम लेके फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज में बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई थी और उसका नाम था द गाइड. तो हियर R.K. नारायण वाज वेरी फेमस राइटर, इंडियन राइटर इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. नाउ आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर ऑफ R.K. नारायण. लुक एट हियर स्टूडेंट. नाउ this is a picture of R.K. Narayan. Now I hope you all will observe this picture properly. This is a picture of R.K. Narayan who has written this story. Which one? A hero. Our syllabus story, lesson number 3. Now students, first of all we have to see some of the word meanings. Here only few words I have taken in this video. Look at here, word meanings. Now first word, flight. I repeat the word flight. The meaning of this word is the act of running away or escaping from a dangerous situation. I repeat once again, the meaning of this word, the act of running away or escaping from a dangerous situation. Word number 2, coward. The meaning of this word is a person who is not brave. जिसमें हिम्मत नहीं होती है उसको हम डरपोक या कायर कहते हैं. And that word called in English, coward. coward. A person who is not brave. Number 3, let alone. The meaning of this word is another way of saying forget about. I repeat once again this word, let alone, means another way of saying forget about. Now, word number 4, disgraceful. The meaning of this word is shameful. I repeat once again this word, disgraceful. The meaning of this word is shameful, यानी शर्मजनक. Number 5, the matter had gone beyond his control. A very long word. I repeat once again, student. The matter had gone beyond his control. The meaning of this word means here Swami is the name of the character in this story. Swami could not make his father change his mind. Okay. किसी के माइंड को चेंज नहीं कर पाना. Number 6, stirred, moved slightly. I repeat once again, stirred, stirred. Meaning of this word is moved slightly. Then word number 7, scorpions. Meaning of this word is small animals that have poisonous stings in their tails. I repeat once again, word number 7, scorpions. A meaning of this word is small animals that have poisonous stings in their tails. Okay, so all these 1 to 7 words, students, whatever I have discussed here just now, you have to write in your fair notebook, and same time you have to learn also. Now look at here, students. We start our main story. Now what happened in this story? As I told that the title of this story is A Hero, written by R.K. Narayan. It's a very interesting and heart-touching story. So students, give proper attention. Now look at the first line of the lesson. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading and said, Swami, listen to this. जैसे कि ये स्टोरी शुरू होती है और स्टार्टिंग का सीन क्या है, फादर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं और उसमें उनका एक छोटा लड़का है जिसका नाम क्या है, स्वामी. ही वॉज रीडिंग एंड सेड, वो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं एंड कहते, क्या कहते, स्वामी, लिसन टू दिस. ही रीड अलाउड एन आर्टिकल. एक आर्टिकल न्यूज़पेपर में छपा होता है, आर्टिकल यानी लेख, और वो रीड अलाउड जोर से पढ़ते हैं. What is that article? Look at here, students. About a village boy who had come face to face with a tiger. उसमें एक छोटा लड़का है जिसने किसका सामना किया है, टाइगर का, फेस टू फेस. ओके, टाइगर. And the article went on to describe the fight the boy had with the tiger and his fight up a tree where he stayed for half a day till he was rescued. Now वो आर्टिकल में एक बॉय किसके साथ फाइटिंग करता है, टाइगर के साथ. एंड यू नो दैट टाइगर इज अ वाइल्ड एनिमल. ओके, and fight with that tiger where he stayed for half a day till he was rescued. और वो हाफ डे तक कहाँ रहता है? ट्री के ऊपर रहता है जब तक वो रेस्क्यूड यानी बच नहीं जाता है तब तक। तो वो फेस टू फेस उसके साथ फाइट करता है। किसके साथ? टाइगर के साथ। आफ्टर रीडिंग इट थ्रू, फादर आस्क्ड स्वामीनाथन, व्हाट डू यू से टू दैट? ये रीड करने के बाद फादर स्वामीनाथन को पूछते हैं। क्या पूछते हैं? व्हाट डू यू से टू दैट? तुम इसके बारे में क्या कहते हो? I think he must have been a very strong grown up person. स्वामी उसको कहता है, उसके पापा को, कि मैं ऐसा बिलीव करता हूँ। क्या बिलीव करता हूँ? He must have been a very strong grown up person. वो छोटा लड़का नहीं होगा, पर वो थोड़ा बड़ा पर्सन होगा और वो स्ट्रांग होगा। Not a boy. वो कोई छोटा लड़का नहीं होता है। How can a boy fight अ टाइगर? सेड स्वामी। स्वामी कहता है कि छोटा लड़का टाइगर के साथ कैसे फाइट कर सकता है? वो कोई बड़ा मीन्स बड़ा पर्सन होगा, वो मैन होगा, छोटा लड़का नहीं होगा। फादर लाफ्ड एंड सेड, फादर हंसने लगते और क्या कहते? करेज इज एवरीथिंग, अ मैन मे हैव द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एन एलिफेंट and yet be a coward. Now, very important sentence the father is telling to Swami. क्या कहते हैं? Courage is everything. हिम्मत होनी चाहिए, सभी में हिम्मत होनी चाहिए। A man may have the strength of, अगर हमारा बॉडी हेल्दी है बट हमें कोई हिम्मत नहीं है तो उसका क्या फ़ायदा? जैसे कि हमारी जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो एलिफेंट जैसी है। ओके, हमारी बॉडी में स्ट्रेंथ है बट हमारे में हिम्मत नहीं है, हम कायर है, हम डरपोक है, तो उसका क्या मतलब? जैसे कि कोई भी लड़का या लड़की बॉडी में हेल्दी होते बट हर बात से डर लगता है, जैसे कि छिपकली आती है तो भी हम डर जाते हैं, और हेल्दी बॉडी होने का क्या मतलब? So here the father is telling like that way, courage is everything. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet coward. अगर हमारा बॉडी हेल्दी है जैसे कि एलिफेंट जैसा बट हम में बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं है, हम डरपोक है, तो उसका क्या मतलब? Whereas another might have the strength of straw. Whereas another might have the strength of straw. Look at the another line. But if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. अगर कोई लड़का या लड़की जो बॉडी में हेल्दी नहीं है बट बहुत करेजियस है तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। यहाँ फादर वो समझाने की ट्राई करते हैं स्वामी को। ओके, सो लुक एट दैट the line that I'm repeating once again. But if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. जैसे कि हमने वार्म अप एक्टिविटी में देखा कि वो लिटिल गर्ल कितनी छोटी है फिर भी वो कितने डेंजरस इंसेक्ट के साथ प्लेइंग कर रही है, तो उसकी एज छोटी है बट उसमें डेयरिंग कितनी है, उसमें करेज कितनी है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो यही बात यहाँ फादर स्वामी को समझा रहे हैं कि स्ट्रेंथ एंड एज आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके, हमारा बॉडी हेल्दी है, हमारी एज बड़ी है, ठीक है, बट हमारे में कोई करेज नहीं है, हिम्मत नहीं है, तो उसका क्या मतलब? That are not important, but what is important? Courage is important. Okay, students. Now, so that way, father was discussing with the Swami. Swami is the name of the boy, and the father was reading that article in the newspaper. Now, look at here. Okay, students. Now, look the another line. Let alone strength can you prove you have courage. Okay, here father क्या कहते हैं? Okay, forget about that. Can you prove you have courage? यहाँ फादर स्वामी को एक चैलेंज देते हैं कि चलो अब हम स्ट्रेंथ की बात नहीं करते, बट कैन यू प्रूव दैट यू आर ए करेजियस बॉय। इसको एक चैलेंज देते हैं फादर स्वामी को कि तू प्रूव कर सकता है, तू साबित कर सकता है कि तू करेजियस बॉय है। ऐसे एक चैलेंज फादर किसको देते हैं? स्वामी को। लेट मी सी इफ यू कैन स्लीप अलोन टुनाइट इन माय ऑफिस रूम। हाँ, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम जब छोटे होते हैं तब हम हमारे मम्मी या पापा के साथ रात को सोते, या हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स घर में होते हैं तो हम किसके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ हम सोते हैं, क्योंकि हमें अकेले रात को जो छोटे लड़के या लड़कियां होते हैं उनको डर लगता है, क्योंकि डार्कनेस का डर लगता है, डेविल का डर लगता है, घोस्ट का डर लगता है। तो इधर उसके पापा उसको क्या कहते? लेट मी सी इफ यू कैन स्लीप अलोन टुनाइट। तो मुझे देखना है कि तू ये रात अलोन, अलोन मीन्स अकेला, सो सकता है। कहाँ पे? सी दैट इन माई ऑफिस रूम। फादर वॉज आस्किंग टू स्वामी कि मुझे ये देखना है कि तू करेजियस बॉय है कि नहीं, तो तू ये रात के लिए तू मेरा जो ऑफिस का रूम है वहाँ तुम्हें अकेले सोना है। यू मस्ट स्लीप अलोन इन फ्यूचर। और बड़ा होके तो तुम्हें वैसे भी अकेला ही सोना पड़ेगा। तो इस तरह से फादर wanted to check the courage of his boy. It is disgraceful. Now look at this word. It is disgraceful. Now you know the meaning of this word. It is shameful. कौन सी मैटर shameful है? Look at here. Sleeping beside grandmother. Sleeping beside grandmother or mother like a baby. You are almost 10. Now father was telling to Swami that now you are almost 10 years old boy and still you are sleeping with your grandmother sometimes, and sometimes you are sleeping with your mother. Do you think that this is a sign of courage? It is a shameful for you that you are not a small baby now. You are not small child. You are almost 10 years old and still you are sleeping with your grandmother or mother. It is a very, very shameful for you. So now this night you have to sleep alone in my office room. Who said this? Father said this. Okay students, now this much part I have discussed. Now I will ask you some simple questions. I know that you all are ready for that. Okay, now my first question is, what was the name of the boy in this story? I repeat once again student this question. What was the name of boy in this story? Okay students, just now I am giving answer, but I know that you all know the answer properly. The name of the boy was Swami. Okay, in this story. I repeat once again. The name of the boy was Swami in this story. Okay, now students, one more questions that I want to ask you. As we know students, in the beginning of the story, that the article went on to describe the fight the boy had with the tiger. Okay, now as I have explained about the article, what happened in that article. So my second question is, where was that article? Okay, I repeat once again, where was that article? I know students, you know the answer. Just now I am giving answer that the article was in the newspaper that Swami's father was reading. I repeat once again answer students. The article was in the newspaper that Swami's father was reading. Okay students, now one more question that I want to ask you, that What was the age of Swami? I repeat once again, student. What was the age of Swami? Okay, students. I give the answer. The age of the Swami was 10 years old. I repeat once again. The age of Swami was 10 years old. Okay, students. Now we go further in the story. Listen what happened in the story in the next part. Swaminathan had always slept beside his grandmother. Now Swaminathan always sleep with whom? Grandmother. Okay. Now look at here. He hoped at first that his father was only joking. पहले तो उसको क्या लगा स्वामी को कि मेरे पापा है वो जस्ट मेरा मजाक कर रहे हैं. He was not serious. But look at here. But he soon realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. ओके पहले तो उसको ऐसा लगा कि मेरे पापा मेरी मजाक कर रहे. बट व्हाट हैपन? बट सून रियलाइज मीन्स उसको पता चल गया. क्या पता चल गया? दैट द मैटर हैड गॉन बियॉन्ड हिज कंट्रोल. दैट स्वामी कुड नॉट मेक हिज फादर चेंज हिज माइंड. अब उसको पता चल गया कि पापा तो अपने डिसीजन में क्या है? फॉर्म है. ओके. Now see what happened. Now look at here. Okay. Now Swaminathan rose silently and tiptoed away to his bed. Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, "Are you feeling sleepy already? Don't you want a story?" Okay, every day as we know from this line that Swaminathan had habit to listen a story from Granny. As you know students, जब हम छोटे होते तब हमें रात को या तो हमारी ग्रैंडमदर या मदर स्टोरी सुनाते हैं तब हम सोते हैं. तो सेम वे हियर Swaminathan also sleeping with his granny, with his grandmother. That time Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, "Are you feeling sleepy already? तुम्हें नींद आ रही है? Don't you want a story? तुम्हें स्टोरी नहीं सुनना है?" Swaminathan did not answer. He threw himself on his bed and pulled the blanket over his face. Swaminathan did not answer. उसने कुछ आंसर नहीं दिया ग्रैनी को और just cover his face with the blanket over his face. He turned over cold and snored under the blanket till he felt his blanket being pulled away. Okay, now he covered his face with the blanket and snored under the blanket till he felt his blanket being pulled away. Now someone came in the room and pulled away his blanket. Now you know student that who pulled away? Father. Father stood over him. "Swami, get up," he said. I repeat once again. Father stood over him. रूम में कौन आते हैं? फादर आते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं? "Swami, get up," he said. Swaminathan stirred and groaned as if in sleep. Now Swaminathan was sleeping and moved slightly and then again continue in his sleep. Father repeated, "Get up, Swami." Father repeated. What repeated? "Get up, Swami." Grandmother pleaded, "Why do you disturb him?" हाँ बीच में जब हम छोटे होते तो हमारी फेवर कौन करते हैं? जब पापा या मम्मी स्कोल्ड करते तो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हमारी बहुत फेवर करते. तो इधर ग्रैंड मदर प्लीडेड, "Why do you disturb him?" उनको क्यों डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है? किसको कहते हैं? फादर को कहते हैं. "Get up, Swami." Father said for the third time. Now with a very strictly, father said third time. To whom? Swami. What he told? Get up, Swami. Swaminathan got up immediately. Then after third time, Swaminathan got up immediately. Father rolled up Swami's mattress and tucked it under his arm and said, "Come with me." Now father took that mattress of Swami and kept in his arm and said, "Come with me." Swami looked at his grandmother. Now, as we know that sometimes, as I told, that when our father or mother scolded, when we were child, that time grandmother or grandfather always favor us. So Swami looked at his grandmother, paused for a moment. वो थोड़े क्षण के लिए वहाँ pause means रुक जाता है, and then followed his father. He know that my grandmother will favor me. That's why he paused there and then followed his father into the office room, and then after he followed his father into the office room. Now look at there what happened in the next part of the story. "Let me sleep in the hall, father," he begged. He was just requesting to his father, "Please, father, let me sleep in the hall. I don't want to sleep in your office room. Your office room is very dusty." What excuse he had given? Your office room is very dusty. मुझे आपका ऑफिस रूम बहुत डस्टी लग रहा है. Actually, he never sleep alone. Okay, he always sleep with his grandmother or mother. And there may be scorpions behind your law books. Now in your office room there are many law books are there, and behind law books maybe some poisonous insects were there. So, and the room is so dirty, so I don't want to sleep in this office room. Please give me permission to sleep in the hall. Okay students, now this much part I have to explain in this video. Now we go towards the textual question answer. Now see, exercise A. Answer this question. Concerning to this part, I have taken here 3 questions of your textbook. Now see the first question. Why did Swami feel that the story in the newspaper could not be true? I repeat once again this question, student. Why did Swami feel that the story in the newspaper could not be? स्वामी को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि जो न्यूज़पेपर में स्टोरी जो आर्टिकल में आई है वो सच नहीं है, मीन्स वो ट्रू नहीं है, उसको ऐसा क्यों लगता है? सी द आंसर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लुक एट द आंसर. Swami felt that the story in the newspaper could not be true because he could not understand how a boy could fight a tiger. Okay? स्वामी को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि उसको ऐसा लगता है कि जो न्यूज़पेपर में आर्टिकल आया है वो सच नहीं है, बिकॉज ही कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ अ स्मॉल बॉय कुड फाइट अ टाइगर. उसके माइंड में ये फिट नहीं बैठता है, उसको वो समझ में नहीं आता है कि एक छोटा लड़का कैसे टाइगर के साथ फाइटिंग कर सकता है. लुक एट दैट remaining part of the answer. A tiger is much stronger than a man. स्वामी छोटा लड़का है, इसलिए वो क्या समझता है, क्या बिलीव करता है? टाइगर इज मच स्ट्रोंगर देन अ मैन. ह्यूमन बीइंग से कौन स्ट्रोंगर है ज्यादा? टाइगर. सो स्वामी थॉट दैट जस्ट करेज कुड नॉट हेल्प अ पर्सन फाइट अ टाइगर. सो वो ऐसा बिलीव करता है कि सिर्फ करेज यानी हिम्मत होने से कुछ नहीं होता है, सिर्फ हिम्मत होने से कोई पर्सन टाइगर के साथ फाइट नहीं कर सकता है, ऐसा वो मानता है. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट. What is second question of your textbook? Look at here. How did Swami's father react story in the paper? I repeat here, in this question two sub questions are there. First of all, I repeat first sub question. How Swami's father react to the story in the paper? जो पेपर में स्टोरी आई है उसको फादर कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं. What did he want Swami to do? What is the sub question next? What did he want Swami to do? उनको स्वामी के पास क्या करवाना था. What did he want? वो क्या चाहते कि स्वामी क्या करे. Okay, now look at the answer. Here, answer number 2. Look at here students. What is answer of question number 2? Swami's father was very impressed by the story. उनको वो स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगती है क्योंकि वो स्टोरी में एक छोटे लड़के की हिम्मत दिखाई थी, इसलिए. Swami's father was very impressed by the story in the paper. He thought that the story proved that, वो क्या सोचते हैं, ये स्टोरी क्या प्रूव करती है, that strength is nothing and courage is everything. I repeat once again this line student. वो स्टोरी से वो बहुत प्रभावित होते, बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड होते हैं और वो क्या सोचते हैं, he thought that the story proved that strength is nothing and courage is everything. फिजिकल जो ताकत होती है उससे कहीं बढ़कर क्या होती है, हमारा विल पावर, स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर, हमारी हिम्मत, हमारी करेज, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. Swami's father wanted, see the second sub question's answer. Swami's father wanted Swami to prove that he had courage by sleeping alone in the